So better if it is mentioned table filling method, go with that, or else no need. Next class I will explain you one more method which is easier than table filling method, because it will take much time. Table filling method. Few times this method is asked. Few times they didn't mention table filling method, so that both learning both is better. So what did you come to know in this is the start state is A, and then the final state is C, right? So there are etc. So before you go for that, since we always have we're comparing two states, whether those two states are distinguishable or indistinguishable, we need to have a pair of states right now. What is the table given here? Individual states given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All are individual states. So I cannot compare one with the other. So I have to take a pair of states. Listing the states horizontally, because I need to take a pair of values. When you're listing the states horizontally, write the states from the first state but not the last one. So what is the first state here? From A. When you're listing the states, uh, all the states are from A to G, sorry, A to H. Horizontally, when you're listing the states, you start from A, list all the states till G, but don't list H. Vertically, when you are doing, you take the states leaving the first state till the last state from B to H. I'll just show you how you have to take. Look at this. When I'm writing the states horizontally, I have taken from A till G, but I haven't included H, right? Leave the last state while including the states horizontally. Leave the first state when you're listing the states vertically. So B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I have eliminated A. Only for the purpose of taking the pair of states. And make which is the final state according to the problem. The final state according to the problem is C. So make a star over there. Now, how can you distinguish between the pair of states? So what is this cell tells about you? Which tells about the pair of states AB. Always read the name from horizontal to vertical, not BA, it is AB. What is this state? What is this pair? AC. This is
AC.
AD, AE, AF. Now, if I have a pair called AB, can you tell me that pair AB, the state A and then the state B, is it distinguishable or indistinguishable? According to the definition which I have told you yesterday, the pair AB is distinguishable or indistinguishable?
Indistinguishable.
Yes, very good. Because there is some quality which will not differentiate them. What is that quality? A is a non-final state, B is also a non-final state. Then the pair AB is an indistinguishable pair. So I think I can reduce that later. We will see. We can make the cross marking for the states which are indistinguishable. Fine. Now, what about AC? C is a final state, A is a non-final state, right? Can I distinguish that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what I have to do is I have to make a cross mark over all distinguishable things. Means what does it mean is I should not disturb them. Understood? So which and all will come the cross mark? C combination, no. A final state remaining all non-final. So AC make a cross, AD make a cross, AE, sorry, AC, what next? BC,
BC.
all C combinations. I think this row and then this column, C column will get the crosses. Agree? because AC, BC, because A is a non-final state, C is a final state, so that I can distinguish it. So which is the pair you can distinguish? So make a cross mark over there. Distinguishable in the sense one non-final, one final. Make a cross. Two non-final, two final, which is indistinguishable, don't do anything. We have to reduce them. We have to minimize them. The empty cells every time we have to take and then minimize them. That is the concept. Okay. So have you understood how this representation has occurred? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mark the distinguishable states with cross. Okay, I have done. Now I have to take a pair of indistinguishable states so that I can try to minimize them. What and all indistinguishable here with empty cell? So AB is a pair, AD is a pair, AE, AF, AG, AH. Then BD, BE, BF, BG, BH. DE, DF, DG, DH. Like that EF and then this G. Can you see that here in the below? I have taken the pair of indistinguishable states within the del. All this leftmost column, no, all this column is the pair that I got from my previous table, which is the states I found that which are indistinguishable, making empty states. See, looking the empty cells in the table, those are indistinguishable. Only them I can minimize. I have listed out the pair under the del column. Why that cross mark and all, I'll tell you later. Fine. Now I will start applying my input AB so that I can come to know in what phenomena they are indistinguishable. Fine. How did you got BGFC and all? It's very simple. You had a very first transition table I have given. The transition from A on small a is to B. B on A is G. It's very simple. It's all about the table from this. I have written all this. You had a transition table. A on A is B. So B on A is G. So BG. Like that, I have filled everything. I have filled everything like that. This values has occurred only, just look at the transition table, very first transition table you got in the question. Based on that, you write it. A on A, B, B on A, G. Like that, A on B is F, B on small b is small C. It is going to the state C. Now, what I have to observe in this is, out of my transitions, what are all the resultant pairs I got out of A and then the input symbol B? You have to make sure that any one of them probably is distinguishable. If it is distinguishable, make AB is also distinguishable. FC, you see what is FC means? F is a non-final state, C is a final state. I have marked that in my previous table. You see FC? FC. It is distinguishable, right? So since FC is marked as distinguishable state, AB is also distinguishable state. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. F and G both are non-final, so don't worry. BC, it is marked so that AD also marked. The same way, try to look into every row and then make a respective cell also cross mark. BC, so B is a non-final, C is a final, so make AF also distinguishable. Understood? Then BG both are non-final, FE both are non-final. I think it is absolute indistinguishable. So I can go to the FC, non-final, final. So which is a distinguishable state. So make AH also. Like that, try to find out the distinguishable states, distinguishable pair, and then make its source also as distinguishable. So how you got all these crosses is based on your The leftmost column cross marks. Earlier I had only C and then C, right? Now you see all the leftmost one. GH, FH, FG, all these things. So TH, FG means FG, and then FH, FH. Like that I have made everything as cross marks. So till now any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Fine. So now from the above table, every time what I'm doing, I'm taking only the indistinguishable pairs and then trying to minimize them, right? Okay. I don't worry about distinguishable things, like whichever I made as cross marks, I don't consider them. Take only indistinguishable states and then try to minimize. Now you have
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the call got disconnected or what?
It
Yes,
got
ma'am. It
Yes,
got
ma'am.
disconnected.
Ma'am, first you were not audible and later.
Oh, might be probably connection issues. At what time it is happened actually? How much? How long it is like that?
Ma'am, around 5 minutes.
Fine.
3 minutes like that only.
Just okay. Can you tell me, Gunprit, where actually it is got disconnected?
Ma'am, you open that PPT after that I'll tell.
Okay, okay. I think I have to share the screen again. Yes, till this table filling is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in this, in the last table, what I have to do is I have to find which is the row and which is the column completely marked with cross. Completely marked with cross. So, G and C. C and G, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I can tell that C and G are the distinguishable pairs because completely made with cross marks. So, any pair you make it as cross mark, you call it as distinguishable, right? So, these are the distinguishable pairs. As coming to indistinguishable, I can easily say that which are the empty cells A, E, B, H, D, F. So these and all the indistinguishable pairs. So your final DFSM, the minimizer DFSM should contain both. So the indistinguishable pairs as well the distinguishable pairs. So how can I list my states in the DFSM? It has to be in alphabetical order. One is the one it will start with A. So AE. Next state is BH. What is the next state I can consider is C. Then DF. Then G. See, I have listed the number of possible states, 5 states. So in a DFSM, one thing is sure, out of these 5 states, if I provide transition and input symbol A or B, it will go to one of these 5 states only, right? It will not go to a state which is not existing in DFSM. You have only these 5 states existing in your DFSM. It will not go to a state which is beyond this. So that, how would you write the transitions is on AE, just look at the previous table, AE, when I give input A, it gone to BH. First of all, I have to confirm that whether BH is one of my state. Yes, BH is one of my state. So on A, it will easily go to BH. What about on B input? On B input, it is going to FF. Do I have a state called FF in this leftmost column? I don't have a state called FF, but I had a pair of state where D and F are there. F is there. So what I can do is, instead of FF, I will write DF. Fine. So the next one is, I think you're understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next one is AG. Where it is going on A, it's going to BG, right? Do you have a state called BG? No. But I had a state called G. So that I will write G. Right? Next one is, what is that? FE. I don't have an F. One second. Which is the state? I think I have to consider BH. Sorry, BH. Just look at BH. Only BH. It is going to GG, right? But I don't have a state called GG, but I have G. So then it goes to G. So on B, it goes to CC earlier. Since I don't have CC, but I have a state called C, I will go to C. Then go with C category. C, I think I could not see C here. I don't have a C here. Then where I have to see? In my initial transition table. On C, you tell me where and all it is going? It is going to
A and C.
A and C. Do you have a state called A? You don't have a state called A, but you had a state called AE. So that I will write AE and as usual C here. What about DF? You see DF, it is going to CC and GG, but I don't have CC in my states list. So I will write C and G. As usual for G, I think for G, if I had to look at my initial table, what is there? G and E, right? G and E. So what I have to do? I don't have G and E. I have a G state. I don't have E state, but E I can predict in AE. So that I have written AE here. So if any one of you have doubts in this part, you can ask me. Since, see, deterministic machines are very clear. Out of these 5 states, only you have to go to transition. Since before I go for a state, I have to make sure that whether that state is available or not. I don't have a state called CC, FF like that. So if I get CC state, I can include C. If I get FF state, I can include DF. Fine. With respect to transition diagram. So this is the minimized DFA. If you want, you can construct the DFSM for the given table in the question, how big it looks, and you can compare that with this deterministic machine. So here you have only 5 states. So any doubts in this class today?
Ma'am, how do you decide the initial state?
Initial state actually A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the question, given initial state is A. So here I don't have a state A, but I have a state AE, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why AE is the initial state.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Yes. Any questions?